My dear student, comma, may I deliver to you an opinion upon the advantage to be derived from private or extra study, comma, taken from the remarks of one who was himself a student of more than ordinary ability, comma, and whose usual plan it was to think from himself and do the best he could on every opportunity to find out the truth with regard to any particular question in which he felt any curiosity. Question mark. Shall I take it that you are willing, comma, and that you have no objection to a lesson, comma, so long as it improves you and adds to your pleasure, question mark. I will, comma, and, comma, oh, comma, I do hope that of the number who read this page, very many may be found who will be numbered among those who are called scholars. Full stop. The habits of literacy, occupation, comma, says this gentleman, comma, confer cheerfulness, comma, even upon men of common minds, semicolon, bad if they are joined to the possession of great native talents, comma, then they can accompany men in their fall from the highest offices, full stop, to the most absolute retirement, comma, as they did in the case of Lord Bacon, comma, who, comma, though he was degraded from his position in the court over which he had so long presided, comma, yet at once assumed a higher place is another sphere, comma, through the talents he had cultivated by study, full stop. How much better it would have been from some gentlemen know to you and to me, comma, if they had studied, comma, say, comma, phonography, comma, in their leisure hour, exclamation marks. Had they done so they would know, have a better spirit and a more improved mind than we see they have. Full stop. I shall be happy to think they may see this word, comma, and may use them to their own advantage. Full stop. What a great difference we should see in them! Exclamation marks. I think we owe it to our fellows not to be disagreeable, comma, moody, comma, or dull, semicolon. And I am certain that if we care to use the powers given to us by the Lord God, comma, we can do much good to others, comma, and we shall not be accused of such faults as I have referred to. Full stop.